So have you been seeing a decrease in TikTok views lately? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about the new algorithm updates in May 2020 and moving forward, but I'm also going to talk about the algorithm in general, how to get on the For You page, how hashtags work, all of that, guys. I'm going to go very deep in this video. So if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to start an online business, how to start a YouTube channel, and of course, how to grow your TikTok account. So if you want to learn more, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's go ahead and get started. So in this video, what we're going to be talking about is a few different things, okay? So the main thing is I've had a lot of questions on people asking, well, why am I getting decreased views on TikTok? I want to talk about the new updates as of May 2020, how to get on the For You page. I'm going to talk about batch theory, hashtag step method, viral sounds, all that good stuff. It's going to be a very in-depth video. I'm going to give you guys everything I know about the TikTok algorithm as of May 2020. So first of all, let's talk about why you're getting decreased views on TikTok. This is a big thing. I've actually seen it as well. And that's because, obviously more people are getting on the platform. More people are starting to understand the algorithm more. So it's going to get a little harder to get views on TikTok. But as long as you know these things, it's going to help you guys out a lot, okay? So first thing, guys, is privating posts, okay? Do not private your post within the first, don't do it at all. Like if you post something, a lot of people will just put that post on private because it didn't do well. So don't do that, guys. Just leave it up. I don't care how bad it did. Even if you get like 5 to 10 views, leave it up. Don't private it because that just shows that, that just shows TikTok that you're not serious about what you're posting, okay? So make sure you don't private it. Also, guys, don't delete your post at all, okay? That's another thing I see. People will post something and within like 2 hours they delete it because it didn't do good. Guys, don't delete it, okay? That's really bad, okay? That's not going to help you go viral on TikTok. And if a post doesn't do well, that's okay. Just do another post. You can do something similar or just move on and do something else, okay? Also, guys, I want to talk about the less engagement within the posting window. I'll talk about what the posting window is, but basically what that means is if you post something, typically it has the ability to go viral within 30 minutes to 90 minutes, okay? And a lot of people need that engagement between that time, okay? So what you need is at least 30% engagement, okay? That's likes, comments, that shares, people duetting, whatever that is, okay? Just engagement on that video, okay? So within that first 30 minutes to 90 minute window, you need to have engagement, okay? At least 30% of engagement, okay? To be able to go viral on TikTok or at least get some views, okay? Also the time posted. A lot of people will post a TikTok video and it's not like a good time, okay? I'm going to talk about what times you should be posting TikTok videos, but that makes a big difference, okay? So for example, I posted a video. It was the exact same video, okay? I posted it it was like 6 a.m. on a Saturday morning. It did horrible, okay? Now, obviously, so I get up really early and I make my TikTok videos and I just wanted to try it out and see if people were up. And it did horrible. It didn't do good at all, okay? I posted that exact same video within the right posting window, which I'll talk about, and it did very, very well, okay? So time posted is very important, okay? Also, guys, trending content, okay? Sounds, effects, hashtags, all that stuff is going to help you go viral as well, okay? A lot of trending sounds, you'll notice a lot of people doing those sounds. You have to get on that trending content as soon as possible, okay? Because a lot of people will use those trending sounds, but then they die out very quickly, okay? So if you can get on those trending sounds, you'll notice some people doing special effects, certain hashtags. Use them right away because that's going to help you go viral. It's going to help you get more views on TikTok, okay? So now let's talk about the May updates, okay? So first of all, the window for posting is now between 30 minutes to 90 minutes. What that means is when you first post a video on TikTok, the ability to go viral or get a ton of views is within that 30 to 90 minutes, okay? And basically, you need to get a ton of engagement within that time. Comments, likes, shares, and we'll talk about that, how it's weighted, how to get on the For You page, stuff like that here in a little bit. But I'm just talking about the updates before we get into that, okay? So 30 to 90 minutes. The perfect video, guys, should be 11 to 17 seconds, okay? Don't do 5 seconds. Don't do a minute. 11 to 17 seconds is going to be that perfect viral video, okay? Now, I'm not saying not to do 60-second videos. I do 60-second videos all the time. But if you want that video to get a lot more views, you have to go between 11 to 17. So why would I do 60-second videos? Because I want to build a relationship with my audience. So the people that are already following me, I want them to see those longer videos. But if I want to go more viral, that's why I'm trying to go, the 11 to 17 second videos where I can still provide a little bit of value within that video. Then they can follow me and see my longer stuff. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Okay, the perfect post time is between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Guys, this is the perfect time. I've been testing this like crazy on multiple accounts. This is the perfect time to post wherever you're from, whether you're on the East Coast, whether you're on you're in the Middle East, whatever it is. That is your perfect post time, okay? Wherever you live, you should be posting between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. or between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. For me personally, when I post at 9 a.m. and when I post at 5:30 p.m., I've noticed that I get the most engagement for me personally, okay? That's just what I've noticed, all right? Also, guys, if someone follows you after viewing your video, that's very powerful, okay? So let's just say they're scrolling through the For You page and they see your content and they follow you just based on that video. That's very powerful, okay? Same thing where sometimes I'll go live and someone will follow me while I'm live, okay? That's very powerful as well, okay? I didn't add that in the document here, but if you're on a live video and someone follows you on that live video, it becomes very powerful, and that live video can go viral as well. I'll make another video about that later on, but I just want to let you guys know if someone follows you just based on first finding you, very powerful, and it's worth a lot of points, okay? And like I said, I'm going to talk about the points here in a little bit and how the algorithm actually works, okay? Also, guys, if you repost old proven content, it actually does very well, okay? So let's just say you make a video and you get, a ton of views, okay? You can download that post and repost it, just the same exact video, guys. TikTok actually wants you to do that. This is something new, okay? So if you guys can repost old content, then it can do very well, okay? So there's a video I did a few months ago, so I'm actually going to repost that. I think I got like 400,000 views. I'm going to repost that. I'm going to add it to my feed. I'm going to just change up the headline, change up the hashtags, but the actual video was proven to do well, okay? So I can reach a whole new audience with it, which is really cool to know, okay? So let's talk about the actual, what's the For You page. If you don't know what it is, I'm just going to touch this real quick. So there's a following where the people that are actually following you, they're going to see your content. And then there's the For You page, which is very powerful. This is where people discover you if they have no idea who you are, okay? This is the most powerful thing. If you can get on the For You page, it becomes really powerful, okay? I'm going to talk about how to get on it, okay? But as people are scrolling through the For You page, they can follow you or they can go to your profile and, they can go to your links, they can go to your YouTube. I talk about that in other videos where I talk about how you can basically use TikTok to monetize. So make sure to check out my other videos, guys. I have a ton of videos on how to monetize on YouTube, or on TikTok. You can see here. Basically, my main goal is to use TikTok as a business. I don't use TikTok at all to, just to play around with it. I use TikTok specifically for business, okay? So you can see here, if you want to learn how to monetize, I have a ton of videos on how to do that, okay? But anyways, that's what the For You page is, okay? That you just want to get on that For You page. That's really critical if you can do that as a brand owner. If you're just trying to go viral, if you're just a teen looking to get more attention, more follows, more likes, I understand that, okay? But anyways, all right, so let's get the main goal is to get someone to stop, okay? I'm going to get into the actual algorithm here in a second, but you have to understand this concept before we can move on, okay? Three simple steps, guys, to get someone to stop scrolling, okay? Number one is the attention stopper, okay? You have to get them to stop scrolling because as they're going through the For You page, they're going very quick, okay? So the number one thing, guys, is you have to catch their attention, okay? There's several things that I do, okay? Within the first 1 to 2 seconds, you have to get someone to stop, okay? There's several things like use a catchy headline, create curiosity. So within the video, you have a headline. Let me just go to my page here. Like this here, okay? $200,000 per month doing this trick, okay? That's very curious. People are very curious to watch the whole video, okay? And if you understand how to do this, then it'll work with the algorithm. I'm going to show you how the algorithm works here in a little bit, but basically you have to create curiosity and you have to have a strong headline in the beginning, okay? That's called a hook or an attention stopper, okay? Within the first second, that's going to be the catchy headline or the curiosity, okay? Another thing you can do is add an open loop, basically saying stick to the end of the video and I'm going to reveal to you the secret or whatever it is, okay? Whatever you're trying to promote as far as, you or the value you're trying to provide, whatever it is, okay? And then also something controversial, okay? That can be something like, I have an example here of like, I had college equals scam. A lot of people got really upset, but I took a stand on what I believe in, right? Because I believe that you don't need college. You can do everything, virtually online. You can start your business online. That's what I believe in. And I took a stand on one side. Of course, a lot of people were haters. And that just drives engagement. That's what I want. I want controversy because people start commenting in the comments, stuff like that. Let me see if I can find that one real quick. It is an older post here. This one right here, just enjoying life without a crap 9-to-5 job. That's another one. Let's see. But yeah, basically, guys, you want to create curiosity, okay? That's basically what I'm doing in my videos, okay? So you can see here, I don't know if I can find it for you guys, but I had it somewhere. Okay, but you guys can check it out. You guys can go check me out on my TikTok, Passive Income Lifestyles. This one actually is very controversial. Got 200,000 views. Did we lose our jobs in this recession? A lot of people just were hating on it. I don't care. I want more content engagement. That's what I want. As I go through the algorithm, I'm going to explain why that's important, okay? So that's the first one, guys, is the attention stopper. Number 2 is you want to give them value or tell them a story. And then number 3 is give them a call to action at the end, okay? Like this post. Comment down below. Follow me if you found value. Follow the link to get the product, whatever the product is. Go to the link in my bio and follow my YouTube, or go to the link in my bio if you have that ability, okay? Now, that is how you get someone to stop and get them to do something you want them to do, okay? Now, batch theory, let's talk about that, okay? This is really important, okay? So when they're on the For You page, basically, okay, well, I'm sorry. So when you post a video, it's automatically on the For You page, okay? And it shows it to a small group of people. Let's just say 50 people, okay? Or let's just say 100 people. We don't actually know the numbers, but it shows it to a small group of people, okay? Now that small group of people, you need to have at least 30% engagement to be able to show it to another group of people, like 200 or 500, okay? So if I go back here, remember I talked about, I think it was right here. Okay, so remember I talked about less engagement within the posting window, okay? So this is why people are getting decreased views, okay? That engagement used to be a lot lower, so you only needed like 10% or 20% to be shown to the next batch of people, okay? Meaning it's getting a little harder to go viral to get more views. That's okay. If you know how to get them to stop and get them to do what you want them to do, as far as comment, like, share, stuff like that, you can get on the For You page for more people, okay? But let me explain that further. So your video is shown to a small group of people, let's just say 100 people, and you need to get 30% engagement, okay? Based on the point system, which I'll talk about in a second, okay? But anyways, it's shown to that group of people, and then you need to get that engagement within, 30 minutes to 90 minutes. If you can get that to happen, then they'll show it to another group of people. Let's just say 100 that goes to 500. If you get 30% or more on that 500, then it goes to 1,000 and beyond, okay? So that's how it works, okay? That's batch theory, okay? But now I want to talk about the point system, okay? Remember I said 30% engagement or more, okay? It's based on the point system. If you can get a like, it's worth a point. If you can get a comment, it's worth 2 points. If you can get a follow within that video, remember I talked about that, you get 3 points. If you get a share, you get 4. Share also counts as if someone duets your videos. Also, that's very powerful as well. 5 points if you get someone to watch your whole video. That's why I say 11 seconds to 17 seconds is the perfect posting time. And then 6 points if you get someone to rewatch your video, okay? That's where it counts as far as engagement, okay? So if you get them to stop scrolling, watch your whole video, like, comment, and follow you on the For You page, that's how you go viral. Remember, you don't even have to go viral. As a business owner, I just want my content to be shown to more people. I don't need my content to be shown to 1 million people to make money online, right? But of course, this video is just, it's kind of broad as far as like, I'm just showing you how the algorithm works, okay? Anyways, and then let's talk about hashtags, okay? Hashtags are, I know a lot of people are asking, well, I saw videos go viral that didn't have hashtags. Well, that could happen, okay? That's because That's how TikTok works right now. People are getting shown random videos, and if it's a viral video that catches someone's attention, then it's going to go viral. It really doesn't matter about the hashtags. Doesn't mean you shouldn't use it. I think hashtags are still very powerful because it's putting your videos, it's basically telling TikTok what your video is about and who to show the video to, okay? Now, there's a few things that I want to talk about hashtags. When you're starting out, I want you to use smaller hashtags, okay? So for example, don't use like hashtag ForYou Page or hashtag love or hashtag viral. Those hashtags, there's no point in using them. They don't help you. They don't hurt you. I would say they actually hurt you more than help you, okay? Because it doesn't tell TikTok what the video is about. It's kind of like keywords on YouTube, okay? So what I want you to do is if you have under 1,000 followers, target hashtags between 10,000 and 100,000 views, okay? I don't want you to target hashtags with millions and millions of views when starting out, okay? And if you have over 5,000, you can follow this rule: 100,000, 500,000 views, and then over 10,000, you can go 500,000 views to 1 million, and then after that, you can kind of scale after 1 million after you have 10,000 followers, okay? Meaning, let's just say for me, I use hashtags such as affiliate marketing. So basically, I would want to use hashtags. I have over 20,000 followers now, so I can use, like my online business with 170,000 views. I can use my online business 879,000 views. But let's just say you have under 1,000 views, you might want to use this one here, 54,000 views. Or if you this one also here is this one's actually spelled wrong. You can use it for 27,000 views. So you can see what I mean by that. Okay, like if you're making content on how to start a YouTube channel, okay? This one here would have, start YouTube, only 700 views, but that's okay because you're really niched down and you can rank for those smaller hashtags as you grow, okay? Now, for example, if you're in the dog niche, okay, something would probably be like hashtag dog is very, very broad. But let's just say you're a dog trainer. You can do something like hashtag how to train your dog as a beginner, okay? And that's something you can start with, okay? Hopefully that makes sense, all right? Last thing here, guys, is viral sounds, challenges, transitions, and effects, okay? Really important that you use these on your videos, okay? Viral sounds come and go very quickly. Music, certain songs, if you're going through the For You page, you'll notice certain songs are trending. Use those as soon as possible because those die out very quickly. Also sounds like if you, the Trump one is very popular where, Trump was talking about whatever it is. It doesn't really matter. But I'm saying these viral sounds, you want to use to your advantage, okay? Whatever you're trying to post, it really doesn't matter. You just want to use them for your TikTok, okay? Also, challenges. You see certain people doing challenges. Make sure you do those as well. If you want to kind of catch with the trends, you don't have to do trending stuff, but that's going to help you go viral or get more views as well, okay? Using transitions and effects, really, really helpful as well. TikTok loves when you edit their videos on their platform. So I would suggest editing all your TikTok videos on their platform, okay? And I do have a video that goes in depth on how to do TikTok editing, okay? So this is very in depth if you want to learn how to do that as well, okay? But basically, guys, that's how you go viral. That's how the TikTok algorithm works. That's how you can use it to basically, see more engagement, see more views. If you understand how the algorithm works, it becomes really, really easy to kind of get more views, get more followers, and in my case, get more leads, more sales in my business, okay? Which is what I'm trying to do at the end of the day, is build my business on TikTok, okay? Guys, I also came out with a brand new course on how to monetize your TikTok channel, how to basically use TikTok for your business. I make a full-time living, guys, posting content on YouTube and TikTok. If you want to learn how to make money online, make sure to get my TikTok course. I'm going to link that in the second link below, guys. But if you want to learn how to start an online business from beginning to end, that's going to be in the first link in the description below. It's going to take you through a challenge on how to start your business, and we're going to walk you through. You're going to get your own mentor as well. So, guys, that's the first link. The second link is going to be my TikTok course. That's only $1. It's very, very in-depth. I made that with 4 other amazing people, business partners. We made that course for only $1, guys, and it literally walks you through how to use TikTok for your business. So hopefully that helps, guys. I hope this video was of value to you guys. Please like this video, shoot me a comment, subscribe to the channel, guys. It really helps me grow on YouTube. Would really appreciate that. You guys have a blessed day, and we'll talk soon.